Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Every product has its own strengths and weaknesses. But did you know that you can turn weaknesses into strengths? In this video, you will learn how to effectively communicate to future buyers to change their perceptions about a product's negative feature to be positive by using this technique. The technique is to identify what is the product's selling point. Although a product can have a lot of features, we will look into 5 features or aspects of a product to demonstrate this technique. Number 1, size. 2, shape. 3, price. 4, origin. And 5, material. Let's begin. Let's say that you are selling handphones. Handphones come in different sizes. Some would prefer big size phone, while others would prefer a smaller size. If it is small, you can highlight that the user can put the handphone in the pocket and the bulge of the phone is not noticeable. If it is big, then you can say that bigger screen makes it easier to dial or text someone and brings satisfaction when watching a video clip on the phone. Now, let's look at the shape of the product that you are trying to promote. Pretend that you are selling drinking bottle with a different type of shape. If your future customers said that it's bulky, you can highlight on its strength that it is easy to grip. We have just seen how the weakness of shape can be turned to strength. Now, let's look at the product price. Price is an important aspect that people will take into consideration when buying a product. Logically, cheaper products will attract more buyers. If your product is expensive, that is probably because the quality is good. Focus on that quality. Regardless of the high-end price product, when properly explained and rationalized to be expensive, anything can sell. For some products like crayon and color pencils manufactured by Faber-Castell, the high price attributed to the fact that it has been certified safe to be used by children. New technologies or gadgets like this Google Glass here can be very expensive. However, because this technology is new and offers users new possibilities, people are jumping on the bandwagon to buy it because it is the new in thing. In a way, what you are also selling is status and brand. Now, I'd like to turn to the next aspect, which is product origin. Some people will only buy imported products, whereas some will support local products. If it is imported, you can say that the company that produced the product is well established. Let's take, for example, the Faber-Castell. It's a company with a long history in the production of stationery. If it is a local product, you can mention the advantages of it, like the quality. For example, rubber gloves. Malaysia is widely recognized for quality manufactured rubber materials. This brings me to the final aspect, which is product material. If your product is made of plastic, the weakness is that it is non-biodegradable. However, you can focus on its strength, which is the product will not be easily broken. By now, you have learned how to change a negative aspect into positive, changing a weakness into strength by focusing on the positive aspect of the product. Let's have a look at the 5 key aspects again. Like I have mentioned, there may be more than 5 aspects in a product, and not all of the 5 aspects are applicable to a product. Regardless, it is important that you identify what are the product's strengths and weakness. This will enable you to figure out the product's selling points. Remember, it doesn't matter how great your product is if you cannot communicate it effectively. How you tell the world about your product will determine their perceptions about a product from negative to positive.